This is everything you need to know about how to care for your lawn in autumn. Hey, I'm Kim. When it comes to lawn care during autumn, it's all about rejuvenation and repair after the heat of summer and preparation for what's to come in winter. So let's get into it. No matter where you live, autumn brings an abundance of fallen leaves, which can harbour disease and suffocate the lawn if left to accumulate. Use a blower vac, rake or lawnmower catcher to collect leaves from your lawn. The leaves can be added to your compost pile or used as mulch. When it comes to mowing your lawn, you might notice the grass growth slowing down as the temperatures change into the cooler months. That being said, it's beneficial to let your grass grow long during this time. Therefore, consider raising the mower blades to avoid cutting it too short. If you have buffalo lawn, cut your grass to roughly 4 centimetres in length every 7 to 10 days in the warmer climates and every 3 to 6 weeks in the cooler climates. If you have kikuyu grass, cut your grass 2.5 to 5 centimetres every 7 to 10 days in the warmer climates and cut at the same height every 3 to 6 weeks in the colder climates. For people with couch grass, cut to 2 to 4 centimetres every 7 to 21 days in the warmer climates, depending on the frequency of fertilising. Just remember where you live and the current climate will dictate how often you need to mow. Next, we need to identify where the thatch has occurred. Walk around and see if there are any spongy areas. Examine the base of the grass for a brownish layer. Look for signs of yellowing, weak growth or overall decline in the condition of the lawn. If certain areas consistently struggle to thrive, thatch could be a contributing factor. Use a dethatching rake to vigorously rake the lawn. The rake's sharp tines will penetrate the thatch layer, loosening and lifting it from the grass. Thatch isn't normally an issue for the colder climates, but for the rest of the country, where you have long hot summers, thatch can become a real issue for your lawn. Following a busy summer of traffic from parties, kids and pets, your lawn soil could become compacted. This is where aeration comes into play. For smaller areas, a garden fork can be used, while larger areas may require a larger lawn aerator, like a scarifier. Keep in mind, the last thing you want is to aerate bone-dry soil, so make sure your soil is moist enough. Whether it's the day after rain or you live in the tropical climates, ensure your lawn has had a good water the day before. It's also a great idea to apply a Topdress. Following the instructions on the packaging, apply a thin layer of mix and spread this across the surface you've aerated. Feeding your lawn is important, particularly while it's actively growing, due to mild weather and increased rainfall. Using a granular power feed like this one for buffalo lawns will help rejuvenate the lawn after the stress of summer and make it stronger to cope with the cold and frost of winter. If you're in a tropical area, look for a power feed product that is designed to promote deep root growth, enhance drought resistance and improve overall health in a hot and humid climate. Lastly, if you're in a non-tropical area, the focus may be more on improving cold tolerance, maintaining colour during winter and overall good health. Look for a power feed product that supports those needs and also contains seaweed extracts or is specifically formulated for cool season grasses. Depending on where you're located and no matter your grass type, it's important to monitor the moisture levels in your soil to know when watering is necessary. Autumn can still have a few hot days, particularly in the northern regions, so you may need to water your lawn more often than expected. More experienced growers can tell by just looking at the leaf blades. If they are dry, wilted or discoloured, they are overdue a watering. You can also use the footprint test. If you walk on the grass and it leaves a mark or doesn't bounce back quickly, you need to water. In saying this, the best approach to know when to water your lawn is by checking the soil by touch or using a moisture meter. If the soil is dry to the touch, it likely needs a water. And there you have it. All the steps for taking care of your lawn during autumn. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.